Hey guys, it's Tori. I'm basically just teaching you guys how to curl my hair. That's a wand. I have a wand. Clamping curling iron works too. Just don't use the clamp part because that's what makes your hair like that at the end, like how it like sticks up. So I recommend not using that. Take a shower. Use this. It's split remedy. It reduces up to 80% of split ends after 3 uses. But anyways. So basically, if you want like medium curls, then take a piece about this big, maybe like to right there, and your finger, like the middle of your finger, and then like do it like this, and then like wrap it around. I think that this is what makes the curls look prettier. And like wrap it up, and then count 20. Count 20 or longer, actually. Oh my god. Kidding me. My hair was burnt off.